message chef.
Put some tissues on that.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi. Wow. Can you explain what's happening? Shahid, you told me you're coming to Indonesia for a month. It's been 2.5 freaking months. And when I asked you what you're going there for, you told me it's meet and greet. You never told me it's a dating show. Why are these girls doing that?
It's not a dating show, yeah. This is just a game
Why are
show.
these girls? Why are there no boys in the contestants?
The format of the show is like that, yeah.
Only girls?
Yeah,
And when I asked you, what did you tell me?
that it's a game show.
I really don't know what I should say to you. And when I asked you the other day, Bhakti, what did you tell me? It's all okay, it's all safe. It's not a dating show. Does it look like a non-dating show to you right now?
Oh yeah. No, but sorry for that.
I met you at the Magenta show, right? And I asked you. You know the relationship we share. I was friendly enough to tell you that. And what did you tell me?
Yeah, it's nothing between them.
So are there no male contestants? What is this? What is the concept? Can you explain to me? You're the host of the show, right?
Oh yeah, actually,
Can you just turn that thing off? I need to talk to you, Shahid. Can we go somewhere private right now? Can you give me that much respect?
Yeah, just I'll come back. It's not a dating show.
What are those girls doing?
Yeah, but Pooja, what? It's not like that at all. What are you thinking?
3 months.
It's gonna get over in
I
1
finished
week.
my meet and greet and I'm here. I'm also here on a professional assignment, you know. I finished that. I've come here spying on you.
It's just few more days.
That's
Just
not the
5 days.
point. You promised something to me and this is not that. I really think I should just go.
No, wait. Okay, it's okay. I'm sorry. I'll say no to them. I can't do this.
I don't know, and then make me look bad, you know, because it's a profession. You shouldn't have taken it up in the first place.
Don't react like that. Yeah, I'll fix this. Let me just talk to them. I'll tell them that I can't do this and I have to go back.
Right now.
come on, it's not like that.
Okay,
It's
fine, I'll go.
Pooja,
I'll just go. No,
I'll just talk
there's
to
no
them.
point.
I'll come with you. We both go together. I'll just talk to them right now. I'll tell them that this is not happening. I can't do this show anymore. I have to go back and we'll go back. Okay? Guys, I can't.
What's happening?
I have to go, I guess. I can't do this. She does not want this, so I have to go.
You have a relationship with her?
Yeah, kind of. Sorry guys, but nobody can come to India with me now.
Dia bilang nggak ada yang bisa ke India sekarang sama dia. But you have to go now?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I'm sorry guys.
Kita gimana Kak Bekti? Ini kita udah lama-lama di sini gimana? Tinggal jadi kayak dia. 2 minggu sama kita di sini. Terus kita buat apa Bekti sih? Selama ini 2 minggu, 2 bulan 2 minggu ini buat apa gitu? Di sini kalau dia.
Gua aja lagi shock begini.
Kak Bekti jadi ngapain kita karantina? Nggak boleh ini, nggak boleh itu. Sekarang nggak bisa ke India.
Udah ninggalin handphone, ninggalin keluarga, ninggalin semuanya.
Gua nggak tahu gimana.
Katanya ditinggalin.
Terus gimana dong? Itu Bekti harus
Sayang, di tengah aja.
Nah, nggak tahu dia gimana.
Oh, Kak Bekti lah.
Gue lagi tahu.
Tadi Syairi takut tuh.
Ya ini. Ya mungkin dia ada memang ada beneran kan berarti kan? Ini gimana sih ini? Mana sih?
Itu.
Ekel mana Ekel?
Ah, Syairi.
Jangan gitu dong, please don't go.
No.
Puja.
Okay, don't. No, guys, no. It's okay, relax.
Jangan go.
No. Don't do this. Don't do this. No.
Please, no, don't do this.
Don't do this.
There's a certain promise.
Udah guys, udah.
Guys.
Udah. Panggilin dong mas.
Gue datang lagi.
Dia dibilangin kalau ini bukan show buat dating-datingan. It's the joke.
Is she okay?
Yeah, but she's not part of this. Not a contestant. So just ignore her.
Sorry, no, not ignore. I'm really sorry. Hey, Dad. He's still here. He's still yours. It's a joke.
No. She's not.
I know, but he's still a part of your show.
Oh, yeah,
I'm not
yeah.
taking him away. He's here. I'm really sorry I shouted at you.
I was shocked also.
Yeah, since you wanted it to be a prank, let me include you also.
Jadi dia bilang katanya ini cuma bercandaan.
So did we act? That means we acted well, right? We are good actors.
Iya, jadi dia bilang
And that's what we are.
aktor kan katanya. Kita aktor yang bagus berarti kan. Tepuk tangan dong buat Puja.